Okay, let's get an extra stuff here because we might be given to find the value of x. So there is some question here. We'll solve some question that involve finding the value of x without giving us, they will give us theta 2, d, and theta 1. So we can use theta 2, theta 1, and d to find the value of x by doing what I'm about to do now. If you could remember our h, we've gotten two formula. H is d tan theta 1 tan theta 2 over tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. So if you remember from this now, x is the value, this value. So we say therefore x is now h, which is d tan theta 1 tan theta 2 over tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2, so times 1 over tan theta 2. So which is now theta 2 theta 2. So we are left with d tan theta 1 over tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. So with this now, you can see we can find the value of x, that's b due, by using theta 1, theta 2, and d. So this is a very nice formula also. So this is very, very important. A nice formula. We can get the value of x in place. So again, let's substitute the one that has sign. Again, we use this first one when the difference theta 2 minus theta 1 is now a special angle. So let's now introduce an extra formula for x. So again, you notice that tan is sine over cos. Do you get? Divided by sine theta 2 cos theta 2 minus sine theta 1 over cos theta 1. So this is d sine theta 1 over cos theta 1 divided by the LCM is cos theta 1 cos theta 2 theta 2 cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 sine theta 1. So this sine theta 1, we are simplifying cos theta 1 times you reciprocate cos theta 1 cos theta 2 over, if you could remember from our identity, this sine theta 2 minus theta 1 out in bracket. So cos theta 1 cos theta 1, so we are left with d sine theta 1 cos theta 2 over sine bracket theta 2 minus theta 1. So we normally use this if you're asked to find the value of x when the difference, I told you, when theta 2 minus theta 1 is a special angle. So it's very important. We'll solve question now to show you why. So assuming you are given this question, the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical tower from a point D on the ground is from a point B 4 units of distance further away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find distance of D from the foot of the tower. So let's draw the diagram. The angle of elevation of a top of a vertical tower from a point D. So point D is 60. So assuming this is the tower. The angle of from point D is 60. So assuming here is D, so the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So they said from a point B 4 units further away, so we'll move. So from here to here is 4 units. So the angle of elevation is now 30 degrees. So we're now asked to find the distance of the point from the foot of the tower. So see, the tower is the tower. This is the tower. So we are looking for from here to, let's call it X. So we are looking for X. So if you could remember now, looking at the diagram, X from our formula 60 and 30, the difference is what? Is a special angle. So we use X equals, do you remember, D sine theta 1 is the one far, theta 1 cos theta 2 over sine theta 2 minus theta 1. So without wasting time, the answer is 1 is 30, so sine 30 cos 60 over sine 30. 60 minus 30 is 30, so we have 4 cos 60, and cos 60 is half, so our X is 2. So the answer is B. So you don't need to waste your time. So we use this when the difference is a special angle. So why the second one? They said the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point A on the ground is 60. From a point B 4 units further away. So almost the same thing. The difference is the angle. So the same diagram but different angle of elevation. So assuming this is the tower, so the first one, this is 60, I think. So this is 60. Why this is 45, and the distance between the two is 4. So from here to here is 4 units. So our main aim is to find distance from the foot of the tower. So we are looking for X here. So you don't need to waste time again. X, we will use the first one because 60 minus 45 is not a special angle. So we use G tan what? Theta 1 over theta 2 minus theta 1, where theta 1 is 45 degrees. Why theta 1 is 45 degrees? So we have 4 tan 45 over tan 60 minus tan 45. And this is 4 because tan 45 is 1, so this is root 3 minus 1. So if you rationalize, conjugate root 3 plus 1. Why this root 3 square minus 1 square is 2. So we have 2 root 3 plus 1. So which is 2 root 3 plus 2. So our answer is B. So it's very important to know the two formulas. It makes us solve question fast, especially OBJ. So okay, the last question on this. We are given a woman root 3 cm tall observes 2 ships from the top of a mountain at an angle of depression of 60 and 45. Okay, let's draw the diagram. So let's the height that the woman, this is the woman, and she's root 3 cm tall, observes 2. So from a mountain, okay, let the mountain be this. So she observes two, the first one and the second one. So this is the shorter angle, while this is the longer angle. So this should be 45, while this is 60. So this should be 60 by alternate angle theorem and 45. So they said they are 4 cm. So 4 cm apart. 4 cm. Then they are 4 cm apart. So the next thing is to, this is the mountain. Remember, let the height of the mountain be h. So this is the height of this is the mountain. So let's solve. So from this, you notice that because remember the total height is √3 over h must be equal to, do you remember this is 60 and 45? So we use the one that has tan, because for 60 the difference between 60 and 45 is not a special angle. So the difference is not a special angle, so we use the d tan. So 4 tan 45 tan 60 over tan 60 minus tan 45. Remember, our main aim is to find the height of the mountain, which is h. So from this, tan 45 is 1, so we have 4√3. Tan 60 is √3 over √3 minus 1. Remember, this is √3 plus h. Our main aim is to find h. So let's the right hand side, we rationalize first. So from this, √3 plus h, 4√3 plus 1, we rationalize by multiplying by its conjugate. Why √3 minus 1 times √3 plus 1 is √3 squared minus 1 squared, which is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 2√3 plus 1. So the next thing is to make h the subject of formula. So h here, therefore h is now 2√3 plus 1 minus √3. So which is 2√3. √3 times √3 is 3, so 6. √3, that's 3 times 2 is 6. This time is plus 2√3 minus √3. So our final answer is 6 plus √3. So that's the height of the mountain. So that's the final answer. Thank you.